This amazing festival is going on. So let him introduce yourself, please. Introduce.
Here in Syria, we have the culture and we represent our culture right here. Also, we have the door for the Syrian culture. Here also the windows also. We here also have the flowers of Syrian. This is the Syrian flowers. It represents the jasmine. The jasmine flowers.
Jasmine.
Yeah.
In your country,
Yeah.
jasmine flower. Do you drink as a tea?
We drink jasmine. Yeah, of course. Yeah. We also drink the jasmine.
Very nice.
And also-
I like it. Please give me.
Yeah.
Why did you choose to participate in this festival? Why?
Why did we choose to participate? Because we want to represent our country. Here.
Is it your first time?
This is my fourth.
First time. Oh, so you already practicing.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Alhamdulillah.
Do you have something to say for other countries?
For I wish you the best, every country in here, and we love also Medipol University. Thank you so much, and welcome to Syria.
Welcome to Turkey.
Welcome to Turkey
We are in
also, of
Turkey.
course, of course.
Welcome to Medipol University.
Thank you to Azim Consulting.
Thank you to Syria.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice
Azim Consulting.